Today we are going to learn how to properly uninstall a software. For example, look at my desktop app called Proton VPN. Now we are going to properly uninstall it. Click the search button, then type in Control Panel. Click on it. After getting the results, go down on the Uninstall a program, click on it. Now let's find our app we going to uninstall. It's called Proton VPN, click on it. Then above you will find the uninstall button, click on it and wait for the results. Then click on Next. Now choose the uninstall option, then go to Remove. Then wait. Now your app is completely uninstalled.